We weren't supposed to know this was happening. A fireworks show just outside of Chattanooga, Tennessee. No Facebook event, no signs, no banners, or no ad spins. There are a few Reddit forum conversations and Facebook group posts that speculate about the time and location, but there's never anything official. It's my friend, business partner, and drone pilot Neil's favorite time of year. A manly time, when he gets to play with explosives for the pure joy of doing it. Every year he helps John Sharp, Chattanooga landscaper and man behind the show, build a fully programmed fireworks showcase. All while nestled in one of the few last large open parcel view sheds in our home county. John has spent $16,000 this year alone to cover the cost of more than 5,000 explosive charges. He's had the help of over a dozen volunteers in order to showcase 25 minutes of the most enjoyable fireworks show I've ever been to.
Tie the GoPro to it, get a view to the sky. Up and away.
But I'm just kind of nervous about how many might show up. When we used to do the lake show at Cape Columbus, there'd be a couple thousand. It's gotten bigger every year. Yeah, hobbyist, I guess, gets a little carried away, but it's fine.
It's okay. Everybody needs something, right?
Yeah.
All in front of a crowd of hundreds who weren't supposed to know it was happening.
Instead of showing up to a thing that they're not supposed to know about, right?
Yeah.
Blowing up money.
I told him
Pressure's on, isn't it?
Yeah, I know, man. I told him 9:45, so
The credit's down.
do that.
I kind of like
I can disable it. And
would
but there's a
just
few
cover it.
buttons I'm gonna hit from the
Put some
shells
motion into it.
that they wanted to do. So we'll mix them in.
And now, to enjoy the hard work of people who love their community, I give to you a fireworks show celebrating America and the people who live in it.
This ain't no regular thing. I came for the ring, you know what I mean. I shoot my shot and it's clean. This for my city, yeah, this for my team. If you talking, it's all to me nice. I play with all of my life. You see my name in the lights. Better get right, I'm champion. The game is in trouble. I've been in my depth for the piece of the puzzle. I got it for real. Still keep me going. I wake up and hustle. You won't see me buckle. I've been in the field, man of the town. You've been in your fields. I'm adjusting this crown. Call me your majesty. Either that or your tragedy. We shutting everything down. I've been hot like somebody put a candle on. Off top, I don't really stand opponents. This mine. The moment is run out and start a bunch of pandemonium. Wrong game, I got some. Skill is bar one. Y'all done. The game in the coffin. Referee screen recipe. So think twice if you next to me. It's West. This ain't no regular thing. I came for the ring. You know what I mean. I shoot my shot and it's clean. This for my city, yeah, this for my team. If you talking, it's hard to be nice. I play with all of my life. You see my name in the lights. Better get right, I'm champion. It's our repetition. I'm stacking these trophies. I'm good with addition. I spit like a pastor. I give you the vision. Up early morning, enough for the sleep. In my life is a dream, but you wishing you lived it. Haters get livid. My pocket's Pacific. That's deep if you get it. So therapeutic. I sleep on the critics. Don't feel like competing. I'm hearing these tickets. Whoa, let me switch the flow. A new bounce. Coming to the den with a lion. I'm gon' pounce. Know I've been a king for a while. Got a ring and a crown. That's the bling with the blow. What the team is about. Champions. You can tell by the ambience of this sound. Referee screen, rest in peace. And think twice if you never see me. Just no doubt. This ain't no regular thing. I came for the ring. You know what I mean. If you talking, it's hard to be nice. I play with all of my life. You see my name in the lights. Better get right. This ain't no regular thing. I came for the ring, you know what I mean. I shoot my shot and it's clean. This for my city, yeah, this for my team. If you talking, it's hard to be nice. I play with all of my life. You see my name in the lights. Better get right, I'm champion.
come on, come here, come a little closer. Don't be afraid, no, I don't wanna hurt you. Little more, come near, let me just show you. Don't know, can't talk, let me just show you. Don't be obsessive, it could be intensive, it could be explosive, it could be offensive. Don't be defensive, don't be aggressive, it will be a waste cause we could be expensive. You need a little fee in your life, you need a little me in your life. I wanna see the sea in your eyes, you need to be free. Hey.
Move, move, body move, move your body, make you move, move, body move, move your body, take you.
You're running through my mind with a shotgun. I'm running out of time, but I'm not done. Yeah, I don't need to run, it will come to me. I don't need to fight, but I keep moving, keep moving. Even what I lose, yeah, I keep moving. Put on my shoes, yeah, I keep moving. There's no room to refuse. Don't you mess with us, we're not afraid. Look at us, no, there is nothing to discuss. I'm not okay, but I'll get up. I know the way, no, I won't stop. I know the scheme, I won't give up. It takes some time to reach the top. Let's take a break, here comes the drop. Don't be obsessive, it could be intensive, it could be explosive, it could be offensive. Don't be defensive, don't be aggressive, it will be a waste cause we could be expensive. You need a little fee in your life, you need a little me in your life. I wanna see the sea in your eyes, you need to be free.